Last time we have discussed about control and coordination in case of animals. Today, in case of plants, today we would be discussing control and coordination in case of animals. Now, animals are unicellular as well as multicellular. In case of unicellular organism, control is mainly done by they are single cells, so control is mainly done by the nucleus which is present inside the cell. But in case of multicellular, control is being coordinated by two different types of system. The first system is the nervous system and the second system is the endocrine system. As nervous system includes the nerves, and the endocrine system, it includes the hormones. Similar to that of plants, animals also responds in reaction to the stimulus. In case of animals, the multicellular animals have a specialized cell. We would be doing first the nervous system. So the multicellular animal have a specialized cells is called as the nerve cells or the neuron to respond to the stimulus and coordinate their activities. A system of nerves is known as the nervous system. The nervous system in case of hydra consists of network of nerve cell joined one to another and spread in the whole body. In case of vertebrates including humans, nervous system and hormonal system both. In case of vertebrates, both this system together they coordinate the animals. Now there are 5 sense organs which contain the receptors. The animals have 5 sense organs which basically contain receptors. Receptors are the place which receives the stimulus. Receptors are basically the group of cells in a sense organ. Group of cells in a sense organ which is sensitive to a particular stimulus, which is sensitive to a particular stimulus is known as a receptor. Now, stimulus are basically the physical environment. The physical condition are known as the stimulus. The physical condition are known as the stimulus. On the basis of different physical stimulus, there are 6 in number. The first is light. Light is a stimulus. Stimulus is light. The response is photoreceptors. They are made which basically detect the presence of light. They are the sense organ is eyes. Sense organ is eyes which detect the light. The second stimulus is that of your sound. The second is sound. The response or the receptors are known as the phonoreceptors or auditory receptors. The sense organ is ear. Then comes the smell. The receptor here is olfactory receptors. The sense organ is nose. Then is the taste. The receptor is gustatory. Gustator receptor, and is basically done by the sense organ, that is the tongue. Then comes the touch, is the stimulus. The receptor name is the tango receptor, and it is the sense organ involved with skin. The last is the temperature. Stimulus is the temperature. The receptors are known as thermoreceptor. It is mainly shown by the sense organ, that is the skin, which are sensitive to cold and heat condition. The receptors are sensitive to the stimulus, which is basically a stimulus is basically a kind of energy. The energy provided by the stimulus set off the chemical reaction. These chemical reaction then moves to the various sense organ. From the sense organ in the form of impulse, which are mainly electrical impulse, they move to the nerves. From the nerves it sends to the brain. From the nerves it sends to the brain, and from there the signal is being analyzed and again comes to the effector organs, which are mainly the glands and the muscles, which respond to the stimulus, which respond or react to the stimulus. Clear? Bye.